fuck? I don't want to cook the plate. No! Cook, you piece.
Yo, what's up, Isaiah?
Yo.
Yo. 2 hamburgers and a cheeseburger and a bacon cheeseburger.
Hamburgers coming up.
We're making 4 burgers. Oh, there's rats! There's rats!
I know.
We should have no, get on them. Toss them out of the house. Get out of here.
Put them in the garbage. Got it.
Patty,
Got it.
bacon,
Okay.
cheese.
Jeez. Fuck, you didn't cook this? Oh. My bad.
Now go give
Right
it.
here.
Okay.
No! Fuck, bro.
1 cheeseburger and 2 bacon cheeseburgers.
2?
You got the...
Oh!
No way, bro. No way.
Bro, why are so many people here?
Oh no.
Dude,
That-
I threw the dirty plate on the floor.
This isn't what I ordered. What do you mean? I'm slapping his face.
Where are the plates?
There's a rat, Isaiah. Go get it.
Where is it? He took cheese.
No!
Add. Okay, add. Bye. Okay.
Isaiah, I need to here. That's it.
Where is it?
Is that a truck?
Yo!
Yeah, it's right there.
Beef.
There's rat. Where'd it go? Nobody got the other rat? What the
They
fuck?
left. Leaving.
What the fuck? Why is the bun floating?
Yo, how do I get the patties out of there?
This guy wants a bacon cheeseburger. This guy.
I didn't know it. 2 fucking rats. No. They're coming out of a hole in the wall.
Shit!
What the fuck?
Money earned 0.
I made the most money by washing all those dishes.
Wow, we only spent money.
What the fuck? Surely hot dogs can't be that confusing.
Over here. Right here. Slap that shit on them. Alright, plain dog.
For fuck's sake, you're stealing all my dogs that I cooked.
Did anyone order a plain something?
Just a plain hot dog.
Just a sausage, like anyone did that?
No. With the bun.
Fuck. Okay, whatever, that works.
Because you guys are...
Take it. Eat it. Yeah.
Damn! Guys, help!
What?
No.
We had 6
Oh.
fucking boxes of dogs! I didn't
Oh,
realize...
stop in the truck.
Dude.
The truck is taking me.
Alright, the buns are here.
Oh wait, I've got to on my plate.
Yo, okay, there's
Oh.
hot dogs in the sink. Dude, there's so much shit.
Surely hot dogs can't be that confusing. What do you mean?
Like walk around.
Yo, what is going on there?
You're not joking.
There's so many rats. There's like 3 of them.
Oh, fuck, and they're in the box of the hot dogs.
Yo, move!
Fucking rat! They're chicken free! They're not like rats, dude. I'm fucking up all the rats.
Okay, that plate
Oh,
is
wait.
floating.
Oh, there's a sausage outside.
Oh!
What are you doing?
Isaac, shut up. Isaac.
But you fucking took it! No! Oh, they're gonna put the...
Dude, it's just going. Put that in the trash.
What? Oh, I can't contain it!
Yo, this is like a health violation.
Get the... He took a sausage in his mouth!
Yo, what?
The rat tried to fucking take a sausage out.
Oh god, oh god. Oh! Guys, where's the fire extinguisher?
It's on the rats! The rat's on fire! Oh shit! He's dead now.
Dude,
what the-
what is happening?
It's washing.
Dude.
Oh! Where's the fire extinguisher?
It's going in the trash. I'll put the fire extinguisher like in the...
Oh god.
You. That was mine.
Why is there a knife on the dinner table? Move!
Where?
Bro, oh god damn it, there's another fire.
Oh shit, the truck's here.
Isaac, there's another fire.
The rift's in. Yo,
Oh.
damn.
Damn,
I'm in
man.
the ocean. You see that?
Oh, I don't know where that went. Bro, the rat trap is stuck in my hand. I can't let it go.
Only...
Oh! Bro!
Holy
What,
shit!
can you get out there?
We're moving 2 at a time.
I needed like, you know,
Oh!
how much overwhelming.
They let her around the rat trap.
Yo.
Oh Jesus! Fuck.
Bro, oh my god. Oh, they show them up there? Oh my god. I'm getting the plain hot dog. Oh my god.
What did you do?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro just fell out the truck.
Real quick, guys. Real quick.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Hold up, there's a fire.
I know, I hear it. No shit.
Why are there buns outside?
He said dump it out the door.
Dude, how does that happen?
We're actually.
Let's
Yeah!
go!
Oh yeah.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Dude, I got a new item.
I gotta go.
Peter's Pizzeria.
Yeah, and it's free play. Wait, where's the cookbook? It tells us what to do.
Pizza sauce.
Yo, cook it, cook it.
Oh, yo!
True. Well, let me use the ladle. Go, let me do it. Yeah!
I. Now, where's the pizza? Oh! Where's the pizza spanker?
I don't know where the fuck I put it.
Yeah, I found it!
No, look, because you can't.
Oh, fucking.
Alright, get another one going. Yeah!
Bro! Yo.
No. It's cooked? I think it's cooked. Why is it?
Go get it! It's burning! Where's the fire extinguisher?
Pizza!
There's a rat. God damn it.
How do we get it out? I can't get it out. What does this look like to you? Alright, fuck this game, bro.